My name's Mark Armstrong. I'm the measurement team lead at Secure, and my primary role is to ensure our volumetric activities are accurate and ready on a timely fashion. A lot of the existing systems at Secure prior to FLOWCAL implementation was either SCADA based without historical or the ability to edit data with an audit trail, or spreadsheet based, which once again, everybody loves spreadsheets, but they're not auditable, they're not lockdownable, and they're just painful to utilize for a long-term solution. Just a great company overall to work with. I really enjoy, once again, working with the specialists, the sales team, helping to understand our business and asking the right questions so that sometimes we understand our business better. For myself, the solution had to be something that was auditable, something that was expandable, and something from a company that could actually support it. From where I took over at Secure, what we had was a FLOWCAL implementation, and we worked with the experts at FLOWCAL and Quorum to actually build out proper line balances that actually accurately represented our system balances and gave us the ability to quickly tell when we had an issue on one of our segments. The main benefit that I see after proper implementation of the FLOWCAL tool is a reduction in my time in troubleshooting false anomalies. The steps that we're looking at right now are implementation of our FSTs, where we actually do all 4 processes that we use with FLOWCAL to balance them out, which is going to be an interesting and challenging because sometimes we don't always receive similar products. Growing out the system, I really don't see any limitations. Probably the only limitation would be our physical footprint and making sure that we cover all of our meters with it. Measurement accuracy matters to myself and to Secure to ensure that the data that we're reporting on is accurate. We can help to accurately forecast our budgets and ensure that the volumes that we're receiving from our customers and ourselves are accurate and repeatable.